Oh, this boy N.O.L.A Tactical. I'm at the shop. I'm about to get ready to go to a detail. But real quick, I want to show you how beneficial it is. Like I told you in the last video, how a holster will save your life and how fast and quick you could draw something like that, just like that. So the reason why is there's nothing interfering with the holster. The holster is clamped, so when you come and you come out, it's coming straight out. You don't have to worry about doing all this. Of course, we are clear, so you don't have to worry about doing all this versus not having a holster. See, I can't even grab it.